Are you scrolling through YouTube Shorts, watching quick videos, while others are quietly cashing in? What if you could turn those seconds of entertainment into a steady stream of income without ever selling a thing? That is the magic of CPA marketing. CPA stands for cost per action. Instead of convincing someone to buy a product, you get paid every time someone completes a simple action, like submitting an email, signing up for a free trial, or installing an app through your affiliate link. These actions are easy for viewers to complete, making CPA marketing one of the most beginner-friendly ways to earn online. So, why pair CPA marketing with YouTube Shorts? Here is the secret. YouTube Shorts offers massive reach, while CPA offers easy, low-friction offers. When you combine the two, you unlock pure earning potential. YouTube's algorithm is pushing short-form videos to billions of viewers worldwide. All it takes is a 15 to 60-second video to grab attention and get viewers to take action. With just a few seconds, you can showcase an offer and direct viewers to your affiliate link, making it the perfect platform for CPA marketing in 2025. Ready to dive in? Here is how you can start CPA marketing with YouTube Shorts in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Pick a CPA offer. Head to platforms like CPA, Max Bounty, or ClickBank and look for offers that convert well, such as giveaways, email submits, or free downloads. Step 2. Find viral short video ideas. Use tools like ChatGPT, Pictory CapCut, or Canva to generate captions, visuals, and even voiceovers. You can create engaging, faceless videos in minutes. Step 3. Post consistently on YouTube Shorts. Make short, 15 to 30-second clips. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, showcase the offer visually, and always include a call to action like link in description. Step 4. Track and optimize. Use Bitly or your CPA network's tracking tools to see which videos convert best, then double down on high-performing topics. How much can you actually make? With the right offer, you can earn $2 to $5 per action. That means 100 actions could bring in $200 to $500 a day. And yes, it is possible. Many creators are seeing these results with just 1 or 2 viral videos each week. Imagine waking up to commissions while your videos keep working for you on autopilot 24 hours a day. Want your shorts to blow up? Use trending audio, bold captions, and emojis to catch the eye. Start with a short, curiosity-driven hook and post 2 to 3 times daily during peak hours. Do not forget to use keywords in your video titles and hashtags to boost discoverability. Consistency and testing are the real keys to hitting $300 or more per day. There are plenty of tools to make this process almost effortless. Lumen 5 lets you create shorts with artificial intelligence. InVideo offers quick templates for faceless videos. CapCut adds animations and viral text. Pictory turns text into video with ease. And ChatGPT can write scripts in seconds, making content creation beginner-friendly. If you want easy commissions, fast-growing traffic, and minimal effort, CPA marketing with YouTube Shorts is the perfect combo for 2025. Remember, you do not need to sell, just inspire simple actions. Hit like, subscribe, and comment Shorts if you are ready to start. Check the links in the description for the best CPA networks and free training. Now, go create your first short, add your affiliate link, and start earning on autopilot.